Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the Forex markets. Today, guys, we will not talk about euro currency because you can see on euro the overall performance stands dynamic. It's now by far response on the support area, but still it should happen, because if you'll take a look at the dollar index, so the market finally has reached, so I can remove this one, and you can see that market finally has reached the resistance, and even yesterday was some hint on a possible reaction on this level. So yes, here we have strong thrusting action up, but that is very strong resistance, and at least some minimum bounce out there is probably should happen. So that's why, although euro currency right now shows nothing, but I hope that next week we still should get something. That's the reason actually why we decided today to talk about Great British Pound, and this chart we also need to take into consideration, because as you know, the Great British Pound is also the big part, not of course as big as the euro currency, but significant part of the dollar index, and the fact that dollar stands at the resistance also makes sense for Great British Pound as well. Because take a look actually what we have on the daily chart. Daily chart is not absolutely new to us, because here we actually have traded this head and shoulders, if you remember, with the selling around 39.90 area. Then it was a tricky moment that we called as a potential Jordan oops pattern, because the neckline was standing right at the confluence support, and we said that market could not break it immediately in the first touch and shows a bit reaction on this area. Besides, here was the COP target. So currently COP we do not need anymore. This market on the second test has broken this level, actually mostly driven by the same reasons as the euro currency has shown the collapse. And take a look, we now stand on the road to the OP, which is around 33 area, 32.80. This is support, next major 618 support, and OP at 33.02, so almost 33 even, so it creates the agreement support on Great British Pound. But on the way down, as you can see, market now stands at daily oversold area. And additional to the oversold, recall what we said about dollar index, and the dollar itself stands at the resistance. So here, Great British Pound could get some support and show some more or less moderate pullback up from here. Although it is not logical based only on the Great British Pound chart, but additional component and the structure of the currency pair that trades in relation to the United States dollar, it could mean a lot, and actually it really could provide the support. This market could show the pounds here a bit higher. And besides on the intraday chart, so take a look on the 4-hour frame chart. Here we have the butterfly. This market is moving down. Here's very good acceleration. It means that after retracement, market has big chance to proceed lower, right to the 1618 extension of the butterfly is 133.17. And take a look, the XOP stands at the 32.96. This is inner XOP to the butterfly. It's A, B, C top. It's based on the shoulder of the pattern on the daily chart. Both target stands actually around the daily OP, so mostly it agrees to them, and stands around the fib support as well. So that will be a nice support cluster where a lot of different extensions are finished, and that's just makes it stronger and provides more context to consider here some maybe short-term bullish position, because at least at the first touch here we should get more or less significant reaction. That is what about on the 4 time frame chart. Take a look then here, the low stands very close to each other, so it's approximately 135.80, 136 area. It's previous lows. And if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, these lows agrees with the conference resistance that's formed here. It's 136, 136.03. So if market will show a kind of the ABC bottom, some ABCD pattern hits the conference, that might be interesting area to consider taking the short position with the downside continuation to the 133 area. So as you understand, actually it's not really small potential. 3 points on Great British Pound, so I think that we could keep an eye on. Besides, in the current circumstances, as I said, chances that retracement will be a bit more extended are significant. It's because the dollar stands at the support as well, and if it starts to show the downside action, that automatically support other rivals and let market show the stronger upward action. That's what we have on the Great British Pound today.